I've talked so much about how it's so important for our body to be able to detox and kind of what happens if that process is impaired. But what's the most overlooked part of the detox system? I feel that it's the lymphatic system, because we always think about filter organs being like liver and kidneys. And then also we know how important pooping is with detox. So why does the lymphatic system just not seem to get a lot of talk or a lot of love? I'm really not sure, because it plays a really important part in our ability to be able to detox. And so let's just start there. Like, what in the world is the lymphatic system and why is it so important? So the lymphatic system is part of the circulatory system, and it's a major organ of the immune system, and of course also a major player in detox in general. And so when we eat food, our body digests that food for nutrients and sends those nutrients obviously to our cells to be able to work properly. That's how it should work anyway. And when the cells are finishing processing these nutrients, some waste is created. And that is exactly what we want to get out, of course. And the waste from each cell obviously must be removed, or it will kind of drown, for lack of a better word, in its own waste. Which is the lymph that is moved throughout the body. And so you could think about this sort of like a highway by which the waste is transported from the cells to the blood, to the colon, to the kidneys, ultimately for elimination from our body. And so one of the main jobs is to remove waste that was created after the cell has finished processing all of these nutrients. And so it's kind of like a mini sewer system, or a garbage disposal of the body. So obviously super important to our body. And really, if you think about it as a whole, our body is all about homeostasis. It's all about balance of the systems, the energy and the chemical processes, et cetera, within the body. And so when the body is out of alignment, it begins to put itself when the body is in alignment, it begins to put itself into balance. And so this lymphatic system is super key to helping create that homeostasis and really to keep the body in total and complete harmony with all the other organs, because it gets rid of all the excess, all the just the junk that we don't need. Obviously, the digestive tract is really crucial to this as well. But when talking about the lymphatic system, there's a lot of different ways that it can be affected, and it's kind of like a multi-part system, if you will. So it's well known that the skin is the largest organ in the body. And so the skin is responsible for one of the more important detoxification processes, making it one of the most important elimination organs as well. And this is actually also known as the third kidney. The lungs are the second kidney. So that's kind of an interesting fact. But toxicity can gather beneath the skin surface from different things like imbalanced pH levels and soaps and creams and antiperspirants and things that are synthetic. And that can contribute to a variety of problems that we have. And so the lymphatic system plays a really crucial role in your body's ability to be able to detox, but also heal from injury, ward off diseases, restore itself to like an optimal level of health that we all want, of course. And it's essential for the body to act as the main drainage system for cleansing and filtering our toxins and bacteria. So it's kind of interesting, though, how the lymphatic system has no central component. It's just kind of these independent things that are going on throughout our body that kind of come together and create this funnel to get rid of the waste. And so there is no way to release toxicity in and through the lymphatic system other than just movement of it. It's this highway that we want to keep moving the waste out through. And so these toxins enter the lymphatic system and they accumulate daily. And so if it's not moving them out, then they're just going to continue to kind of build up. And so it's really important that we keep that moving. And so I hope this gives you a really great idea and sort of visual almost of what the lymphatic system is and what it does for our body. And so I want to tell you about this really cool thing that I kind of I knew I wanted to do something as far as just like a challenge to help us with our detox. And this seems like a really great way and really easily accessible for really anybody to take advantage of. And so myself, along with a few others, are doing this lymphatic challenge, lymph challenge. And it's really just an easy way that we can help our lymphatic system out and really help our detox pathways as a whole to work better. And so this is going to be happening at the time of this recording. It's actually 2022. It'll be happening in about a month. In November of 2022. So I'm going to put more information if you would like to join us for this absolutely free challenge. Of course, there are tools that are optional. You don't have to have hardly any tools at all to take part in this. You could literally just gather the information and just save it for whenever you want to do this. But we want to just really help you to take action on this at whatever like level or chapter you are in your health. And so again, I'm going to put more details about this challenge in the description of this video below. And I'm just really excited to kick this off and hopefully help move you in the right direction to help your body be able to detox on its own and be able to prepare maybe even for a deeper detox that you might be doing in the future. And so let me know if you have any questions at all about this. I have many other videos on detox on my channel here and that you can check those out. I also have a playlist of those videos that you could check out if you just want to, if you're really in tune with detox right now and you want to learn more about that, you can check out all of those other videos. All right, guys, I will hopefully see you in this challenge.